Hey guys, how's everything going? Happy Saturday. I wanted to do something I haven't done before, a quick unboxing video. I'm going to unbox the Studio 3 wireless I just bought today. And the reason isn't because it's some new product that no one's ever seen before, but I have some Studio, I guess the original ones from like 5 years ago. Oh my God, these things are torn apart. I don't know if you can see, but look at that. They are terrible. I wore them to the gym, so I guess you're really not supposed to. And that is totally worn. And then today, oh man, see this? This clasp popped out. So, while they technically do work, they're done. I'd have to replace the padding and somehow fix that. The glue wore down, so I don't think I could do that. So, the unboxing isn't to kind of show you something new. I haven't seen Studios since these, and I'm just curious to see if there's anything different or if they're exactly the same. So, let's put this to the side, these disgusting headphones. Let's get into opening my Studio 3 wireless that I just bought today. And as of recording this video, they are actually half price, $174.99 on Target's website. Right now, Best Buy, they're not updated. Usually they have the same exact prices, but not yet. But I'm sure for Black Friday, maybe Best Buy's will be $175, but I think they price match anyway. So if you print this out and bring it to Best Buy, you could probably get it for that price anyway. All right, let's open these up. The only thing I know for sure that's different is my old ones had like a 6-hour, I think it was like 6-hour battery life when you used noise cancellation. These, I believe, have 22 hours, so that's a huge jump. Let's see what comes in the box. Oh, I got my little switchblade from when I used to be an operations manager for a construction parts company. Oh, there you go. All right, let's see what we got here. Also, I'm usually pretty plain when it comes to things I have to wear. My old Beats were the plain gray ones, or I don't know, silver if you want. The plastic part is silver and the padding is gray. The ones I bought are, I don't even remember what they call this color. Shadow gray. Well, so they're still gray, but they have a little bit of gold and a different color on the inside. So, let's see. All right, so you can see a little bit of gold on the packaging. Put this away. Let's see. I have always liked the Beats packaging. I'm glad Apple didn't change it when they bought them. Change the way you hear sound. Okay. All right. That's the case. And whoa. The phone adapter. And this is what I use when I live stream my video games. I use it with my Blue and I plug this in. Oh, wait a second. This comes with... I don't know what this is. Fast Fuel 3-hour play. I guess this is the charger. Yeah, stupid. All right, so this is the charger, it looks like. And then these are the headphones. And these come with, oh, mine didn't come with these. Some kind of clasp. I don't know what, I don't know what you would need this for, where you would clip it. I'm not too sure, so I will leave that in the box for now. I don't need any of the cables right now. I just want to see if there's any change. All right. We have the booklet. From what I remember, this is pretty different. I don't remember getting all this. I definitely don't remember getting a sticker. I could be wrong, but maybe Apple, who's famous for giving you their Apple sticker with their computers, decided to give you a Beats sticker. I don't remember last time. All right, they tell you a little bit how to set it up in iOS 11. And this is the instruction book. So, put that to the side. Get the Beats app, stay up to date. I don't think the original had the Beats app. I used to have to update my headphones through the web. I remember on a website. So this should be a lot easier to do. All right, I'll put all this back. I don't need this packaging right now. Okay, I guess I'll leave the box here. And I'll just, oh my God. All right, so first of all, the cases for both are pretty much exactly the same. Only the new one, it looks like it's all leather or all fake leather. This part here on my old case is fabric, but on the newer one, it's like a pleather material. But right there, this is my old case, and this is the new case. Let's get to the headphone. Oh, these are really nice. I like that. I didn't think I was gonna like the gold. I actually thought the inside was gold, but it's kind of like a cream color. These are really nice, actually. Not bad. All right, let's see. That's the left, that's the left. Just from a first glance, they literally are the exact same design. Yeah, there's no difference. This will be a short video, it looks like. They both say wireless on the left headphone side, and they say Studio 3 on the new ones, just Studio on the old ones. But yeah, all in all, the body is exactly the same. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. There's an indent on this side. I don't know if you can see it right there. And I'm guessing that, no, I don't know what that could be for. That indent is not on the old ones. No. But it definitely looks like that's how they're built, and it's not like a defect or just from smushing. So I don't know what that is for, but they are exactly the same. I really don't feel or see any difference. Same materials all around on these. Take the sticker off. Let's see. Under there. Yeah, same buttons. Nothing changed there. See the ports. Okay. Looks like the same exact type of USB port as well. Oh no, it's the thinner USB port. So yeah, besides this little indent on the pad and the USB port, there is literally nothing different between the design. Though they do feel lighter, unless I'm just... probably the same. This was underwhelming. I thought there would be a little bit more to talk about, but there really isn't. So pretty much same packaging, same design. I think the charger is different. My other one didn't come with that, the fast fuel cable. I don't think this came with my last one. I could be wrong. And the battery life, that's pretty much the biggest change, from 6 hours to about 22 hours using noise cancellation. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to using a pair of headphones that aren't decrepit and melting, you know, or shredding with these pads the way they are. And obviously the headphone portion is broken, so I needed them anyway. I know most people say they're not the highest quality headphones. I used to do music recording when I was younger, so I used to use Audio Technicas. That's how you pronounce it, right? Audio Technica. So that's what I used in my studio when I had a recording studio. But I mean, pretty much I'm listening to music from my iPhone and I am streaming and using them. So I don't have a studio anymore. I'm not recording music. I don't need it for that. And the 22 hours of battery life is more than enough for me. I could use it with wires if I want to. So they'll work for me. That's pretty much all I got here. Like I said, I just wanted to do this video to see if there were any major differences between the two 5 years apart. There isn't really. So thank you for watching today. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll link a couple of videos right here. I will talk to you soon. Later.